Want to make your video burst with vibrant colors and energetic party vibes? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a party-style multicolor effect in CapCut Mobile. Let's now get started. First, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the editing timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then choose Video Effects. Browse through the available categories, and you can use search bar to search for Party Style Multicolor. Tap the effect to preview it, and you will see multiple colors shifting and blending across your video. Adjustment can also be done by pressing Adjust button and slide the slider available depending on the CapCut version you have. When you're satisfied with the look, tap the checkmark to apply the effect. Automatically, an effect layer will appear on the timeline. Drag the edges of the layer to control how the effects place. But before exporting, don't forget to play your video to preview the final result. And that's it. That's how you add party-style multicolor effect in CapCut Mobile. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and happy editing. God bless.